You've probably been in pain for weeks, but still don't know if your back injury is serious enough to justify a claim. Maybe your doctor said it's just a whiplash. Maybe the insurance company is already downplaying the nature of your injuries. But if you leave this untreated, or worse, undocumented, you could end up covering everything out of your own pocket. I'm Pablo Tamayo, a personal injury attorney here in Florida for almost 2 decades. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how back injuries after a car crash actually work, medically and even legally, so you don't get stuck with mounting bills, delayed treatments, or a denied claim just because no one told you what to look for. Florida is a no-fault state, which means your own insurance covers 80% of your medical bills up to $10,000, regardless of who caused the crash. That sounds like a win, but here's the catch. You only have 14 days to get medical care if you want to use that insurance. Miss that window and your benefits vanish. Even if your pain shows up later, even if you end up needing surgery, the law does not care, and the insurance company certainly won't either. So what do? First, you get checked out by a medical professional right away. Chiropractor, urgent care, ER, your primary doctor, whatever your injuries require. Don't wait for the pain to become unbearable. Don't try to tough it out. That's exactly what the insurance companies want you to do. Second, document everything. What hurts, when it started, how it's affecting your everyday life. Take photos of your car, take photos of your injuries. Keep every receipt, prescription, and note from your doctor. This isn't just about proving you're in pain. It's about building a legal paper trail that protects you and shows your history. And third, and this one's harder, don't talk about fault at the scene. Don't apologize, don't speculate. Just stick to the basic facts. Because what you say in that moment can come back to hurt your case later on. If your injury is considered permanent under Florida law, and in our experience, many back injuries tend to fit that bill, you're allowed to pursue a claim against the at-fault driver for more than just your medical bills. That means pain and suffering, lost wages, future treatment, even compensation for help around the house. But again, none of that happens unless you act early. The insurance company will absolutely try to say your pain was pre-existing, your injury wasn't permanent, or that it was unrelated to the crash. And if you didn't document it properly, you give them the ammo to make those arguments. Back injuries usually don't just affect your spine. They can affect everything about your life. Your ability to work, your energy, your sleep, your mood, your time with your kids. I've seen clients spiral, not only because their injury was indeed permanent, but because they waited too long to deal with it and the system worked against them. We've seen cases like this before where someone tries to handle their own back injury case on their own and they accept a quick settlement offer from the other driver's insurance, only to find their symptoms get worse a few weeks later, requiring specialist treatment, even sometimes requiring surgery. But once you accept that check, there is most likely nothing more you can do for your case and you will be stuck with your settlement. Don't be that person. That's why if your back pain lasts more than a few days, or your bills start piling up, or you're just confused about your options, talk to a lawyer, even if it's just a consultation. A good attorney can help you navigate the system, deal with the insurance company's games, and make sure you don't settle for less than you deserve. And here's the other deadline you need to know: the statute of limitations. In Florida, you usually have 2 years to file a negligence lawsuit after a car accident. But don't wait. The sooner you start, the stronger your case will be. Evidence disappears, memories fade, and insurance companies use every delay against you. So here's what to do right now. Get checked out by a doctor if you haven't already. Start a pain journal, even if it's just a few notes in your phone each night. Keep every bill and prescription and any paperwork you can. Don't talk to the other driver's insurance company without talking to a lawyer first. If you're feeling overwhelmed, reach out to a Florida injury lawyer who knows how to handle these cases, knows how to deal with the insurance companies. Because in the end, this isn't just about your back. It's about your recovery, your finances, and your future. The decisions you make in the next few days will determine how well you bounce back or how much you'll struggle. If you want to know how much time you actually have to bring a claim after a serious truck accident, a completely different set of rules applies, and that's what I cover in the next video. So click over to that now, because missing that deadline can cost you everything. See you over there.